slime ASMR, you guys. We have two beautiful slimes for Valentine's Day. So if you guys missed out on Valentine's Day or didn't get anything, here is your cue to comment anything. If my comments aren't disabled, I don't know how they got disabled, but yeah, they're very stretchy. They have heart glitters, so I'll be quiet so you guys can hear the texture and stuff. Okay, guys, it's really quiet, but this one, if you guys didn't see my short, this one was a 1.5, but I changed it. It's a 2. I changed it to a 2 because it feels better than the red one. The red one's very hard and stuff flies all over the place. But the pink one, it's hard, but stuff doesn't fly all over the place. That's a good reason to like it, right? But you guys, I know my videos are very short. It's just that I'm running out of space on my phone. I have too many Roblox games, I guess. Bye!